Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have the Air Force One Ultra Flyknit Low RKK. So this was a special collaboration done between the Patriots owner Robert Kraft and Nike. This is not the first time they've collabed, but this is the most recent one. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick review of it, an unboxing, and tell you my opinion. And let's get right into it. So the first thing we want to get into is the box. So starting with the label. So it says AF1 Ultra Flyknit Low RKK, size 10, suggested retail is 160 USD, which is the standard pricing for the Ultra Flyknit Low Air Forces. Getting into the box, we have this cool little Patriots bag, and other than that, it's just the paper. Alright, so it's a little Patriots backpack, gym bag, celebrating the 25 seasons of the Patriots, of Robert Kraft owning the Patriots franchise. So it says 25 seasons, Kraft family ownership, and then the Patriots logo. So pretty neat see-through bag. Of course, opens up like that, and this is just some white paper inside, so it's gonna be translucent. Red straps, obviously. So pretty neat, really cool touch to the sneaker. So getting back right into the shoes themselves. So as I said, this is a collab between Robert Kraft, owner of the Patriots, and Nike. And this particular shoe is celebrating the 25 years of ownership that the Kraft family has had over the Patriots. So it features a predominantly red and navy blue upper all throughout the sneaker, in that Flyknit, obviously. Get a better look. And then we have a navy Nike swoosh with some white lining. And then moving to the back of the sneaker, on the heel tab, we have the Patriots logo right there. You guys a better look at that. So this is some leather, and then the Patriots logo is actually stitched in. So pretty cool touch. And then moving to the medial side of the sneaker, again, we have that navy swoosh coming all around. And then near the laces, of course, it says RKK right here, where it usually says Air Force One. And then we have a navy lining here as well, and then red eyelets for the laces. Get a better look. And then on the sneaker itself, there's white laces, but as you guys can see, a pair of navy laces comes with it, so that's a pretty cool touch. Moving up to the tongue, it says Nike Air, and a cool little twist, it says Robert Kraft right under it. So pretty neat there. And then getting into the other side of the tongue, it says we are all Patriots. Better look at that. And then there's Robert Kraft's signature, and it says Foxborough, Massachusetts. Alright, and then the outsole of the sneaker is just all white. This part, it feels a little bit weird to me. Like I think they should have done this a different color. I think the white here is cool, but I think they should have, like, I don't know, like, I think it would have been better if it wasn't completely white, to be honest. If they did like a hit of red or more of there's a little bit of navy blue here, but I think they should have done a little bit more, maybe here. I'm not really sure, but I don't really like the all white look there, but it's just the outsole, so not much to complain about. Let me show you guys the other shoe as well. So same concept. Navy and red upper. Same Patriots logo on the heel tab. And of course the extra set of laces right here. Navy blue with the gunmetal tips. It says Nike on the bag. So there are no differences on these sneakers besides the insoles. So I'll show you guys the insoles side by side, which is a pretty cool message on them. So then the insoles are going to tell you the message behind the sneaker, obviously. So as I said, this is for the 25 years of the Kraft family ownership. And then on the left pair, it says 1994. And on the right pair, it says 2018. So 94 to 2018 is their ownership. And it even says it inside. It says celebrating 25 years. So yeah, there we go. Sorry guys, I know the camera's not picking it up too well, but in terms of the shoe itself, it's super lightweight. Like, you can't even feel anything in your hands, because obviously it's the Ultra Flyknit Lows. In general, the Ultra Flyknit Low Air Forces are really comfortable sneakers. I do own a pair, but this is more of a collector's piece in my opinion. I do think some people will be rocking them, maybe to like Patriots game or people who live in Massachusetts, but I don't really see too many people rocking these outside of like a collector's thing. Right now in the resale market, they are going for a little bit over retail. Like retail, I'm not really sure what the exact prices are, but last time I checked, they were like $250. If you're a Patriots fan, I do suggest grabbing this. If you are not, then it's just another Ultra Flyknit Air Force, or it could just be a collector's Air Force. So it's up to you guys. Overall, in my opinion, these are a really cool collab. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. We're on the way to 1,000 subscribers and every single subscriber counts. So please guys, if you can, take a moment and subscribe to the channel. I'm doing a lot of unboxings on new sneakers. I could do some on some hype sneakers as well, like from the past. So just subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you.